Hi. Hi, pretty girl. What are you doing? I'm making this video for someone that loves carpet python. I just wanted to show you. This is my year-old Exantic caramel coastal that came from Travis Johnson. And she is not fat. She's not overfed. She's big, she's strong, and she's pure muscle because she doesn't live in a plastic tray. She's out 3 days a week, getting activities and exercise. So this is my year-old Jasmine. I just wanted to show you she is a year old. She eats rat fuzzies. That's all she eats. And she's pretty and she's healthy and she has a great life here because she loves hanging out with people. That's why she's so big. Not because she eats a lot, but because she gets a lot of physical activities, which turns body fat into muscle, just like a bodybuilder does. Common sense. So yeah, this is Jasmine, my year-old. Where you going, lady? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? You're huffing. It's warm in here, I know. Yeah, it's warm in the house. Oh, you just found my camera, huh? A pretty girl. Yes, you are. Oh, she's a year old as of this past August. Sorry about shaking the camera. She's kind of heavy, actually. Well, this is my year-old. You got my camera. Jasmine. You can't get on my camera, girlfriend. But I don't know why it's shocking to people to see a snake bigger than it normally is, because someone knows how to give them a life and give them the freedom of choice and give them some exercise regularly. So yeah, this is Jasmine. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Hi, pretty girl. Obese? No. Fat? No. Overfed? No. Typical, healthy, normal coastal carpet python.